See, Reliance numbers are important because they're coming right at the beginning of the earnings season. Normally, Reliance numbers, they come in the fag end of the earnings season, and normally they come on Friday. So is there something different which we don't know? I don't know in terms of, why Reliance numbers which come in the second half are now coming in the first half of the earnings season, one. Second, Reliance numbers have not been great and the stock has underperformed. So could it be a case where little bit of surprise also could really have an impact on the stock per se, because this is one stock where there is FI selling, there is index selling, and there is hardly any expectation. So a little bit of surprise from Reliance, I think, could have an impact of 100 to 150 rupees on the stock in the short term. So unlike last couple of quarters where Reliance expectations were high and the company is not delivered, this year the stock is bombed out for technical factors, and for technical factors to reverse, which they would, if you clearly get a line of sight as to something interesting is happening in their retail business, or if there is some hint which clearly comes in terms of where the new energy business would move. Not that markets are expecting any big large announcement. I mean, the AGM has already set the tone as to what we should expect. But the positioning of Reliance is such that a mild surprise can actually create a big move. HCLTech, TCS has set the tone for you that the earnings trajectory is unlikely to be a very sharply revised on the upside for large cap IT. So while the compression has started, the expansion is going to be a slow and a gradual process. Now, if that is a backdrop for HCLTech, until unless a surprise could come in from there, I don't think the market reaction is going to be very large. So with Reliance, little bit of surprise could have a swing effect. With HCLTech, it really has to be a very concrete commentary where markets are convinced that, oh boy, this time it's different. Then only you will see a market reaction per se. Because HCLTech is not bombed out the way Reliance actually is.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.